I am going to tell you about the energy of the future. Green energy that serves local communities and preserves the planet. Powering this bus, this refuse truck, this container ship, and even this factory. What is this energy? It is hydrogen. Produced from renewable and low-carbon energy sources, hydrogen will truly be one of the essential components of tomorrow's carbon-free energy mix. And for this energy to fulfill its promise, it needs a large-scale storage solution. This is where Storengy comes in. For more than 70 years, Storengy has been an expert in the operation of underground energy storage assets. Follow me. I'll show you how underground hydrogen storage in salt caverns works. Here's how it works. To store hydrogen in salt caverns, it first needs to be transported by pipelines to the storage site. The incoming volume of hydrogen is then measured and compressed. It is next transported to the salt caverns where it will be stored. To help you understand, salt caverns are like large, perfectly watertight tanks. They are created artificially by injecting water into a completely impermeable layer of salt. The hydrogen then flows down into the cavern, located between 500 and 1,500 meters deep. It travels through a well, which is a metal tube measuring around 10 centimeters in diameter. Also, and this is very important, to ensure the safety and containment of the hydrogen inside the salt caverns, the wells are equipped with protection systems, both at the surface and underground. Now, look at what happens when the hydrogen needs to be delivered. Once it is brought back up from the caverns through the same well, the hydrogen undergoes treatment and analysis in order to ensure the purity level required by regulations. Finally, the hydrogen is sent to customers via the transport network's pipelines. All these operations are controlled remotely from the control room. And that's it. Large-scale hydrogen storage will not only balance supply and demand for renewable and low-carbon hydrogen, but also the needs of power production. And yes, hydrogen storage relieves pressure on the networks and contributes to the flexibility and decarbonisation of the power system. Brilliant, isn't it? To make this happen, local communities can rely on the women and men who work at Storengy to store hydrogen using a safe and efficient technology. In fact, investing in hydrogen storage with Storengy is simply investing in the future.